Remember when your rotary tool had to be bound to an electrical outlet? Now, with this WEN Variable Speed Lithium-Ion Cordless Rotary Tool Set, you'll have the same power and precision as other rotary tools without the hassle of the cord. This package includes a 7.2 volts lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a 24-piece accessory kit powered by a 7.2 volts battery. The variable speed operation goes from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM in increments of 5,000 RPM, with the variable speed indicator to monitor the RPM of your WEN rotary tool. You'll have the perfect speed to match the needs of your particular projects. Improve visibility and accuracy in dimly lit areas with the collar's onboard LED lights. Remove rust from rusty stuff. Trim your dog's toenails. Engrave beautiful images into your neighbors' windows while they're vacationing in Rome. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale with the WEN rotary tool. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and federal law. Accessories include 5 cutting discs, 4 grinding stone bits, 3 diamond-coated bits, 3 sanding bands, 2 felt polishing wheels, a sanding drum mandrel, a disc mandrel, a screw mandrel, a nylon wire brush, an HSS cutter, an HSS drill, and a wrench. The WEN Cordless Rotary Tool helps with everything from fun arts and crafts projects to more serious tasks like cutting drywall or polishing your fancy cufflinks. The lightweight 0.6-pound tool limits fatigue during operation, allowing users to carve small and complex designs into glass, plastic, wood, steel, and more. The handy carrying case makes transportation and storage easier than ever. And, because this is a WEN product, your variable speed cordless rotary tool comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a friendly customer service line, and a nationwide network of skilled service technicians. Carve, cut, grind, deburr, engrave, shape, drill, polish, and other verbs, all with the WEN Rotary Tool Kit. Remember when you could use your rotary tool wherever you want it. Remember WEN. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Visibility. Having a hard time seeing your project? Switch on the LED light to improve visibility in dimly lit areas, allowing you to maximize precision for every job. Number 2. Versatility. The included carrying case comes packed with accessories, including a charger, drill bits, diamond bits, sanding drums, discs, and more. Number 3. Rechargeable 7.2 volts lithium-ion battery allows for cordless operation. Number 4. Versatile tool cuts, sands, polishes, drills, carves, etches, deburrs, and more. Number 5. Variable speed dial allows for operation from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM in increments of 5,000 RPM. Number 6. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 0.6 pounds to limit fatigue during operation. Number 7. Includes 24 accessories, onboard LED lights, a charger, and a compact carrying case, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.